Hi, my name is Jen Ferguson here with Harrington Hoists, and today I want to talk to you about our TCS air chain hoist line. This is the fastest air chain hoist on the market. It's available from 1/4 to 1 ton capacities, and applications are anywhere that there's a need for speed. Foundries, production lines, automotive, job sites, and many others. Not only will this hoist save you time because of its speed, but also because of its reliability. Durability testing has shown that it's 7 times more reliable than the competition. So can you imagine 7 times the downtime and repair costs? This hoist will definitely save you time and money. One of the great features of this hoist is fine feathering control. So although you can go very fast, you can also throttle it down to control your load very precisely. We do this with pilot air and spring-loaded vanes. Other hoists on the market don't have this feature, and so you're either off or you're at full speed and there's no in between. Not being able to control the load precisely can make material handling very difficult. Another nice feature on this hoist is that you can adjust the speed with external adjusting screws. So you don't have to open up the hoist or do anything, you can just adjust it on the outside. The TCS also comes standard with nickel-plated load chain, and this patented nickel plating technology far outperforms black chain or other inferior coatings, so you're getting that longevity out of your hoist that you need. For more information and other great features and benefits of the TCS hoist and other hoists, you can visit our website at harringtonhoist.com. Thanks for watching.